Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a beautiful showpiece. For this I have taken a glass jar, some artificial flowers, then I have taken a nano tape and an LED fairy light or a string light. Open the lid of the glass jar and stick some small pieces of the nano tape on top. Next I am going to stick the flowers on it. And you can see how beautiful this is looking. Next take the glass jar and a golden lace. I am going to stick the golden lace on the jar. Finally place the fairy light inside it and close the jar, and a beautiful showpiece is now ready. You can see how easy and simple it was to make this. So I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.